Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. I am your English teacher and today we will learn the words meaning of unit number 1, having fun. So the first word is festival. So what is the meaning of festival? A festival is a special time when people celebrate something important. People may celebrate with food, music, decorations and activities. For example, many cultures celebrate festivals to enjoy traditions and spend time with others. So, what is the meaning of festivals? Festival mean celebration or gala day. The next word is family reunion. A family reunion is a gathering where family members meet after a long time and relatives may live in different places come together to talk, eat, and enjoy time together. So, it is a happy event where families reconnect. So, what is the meaning of family reunion? Family reunion mean family party or get together. The next word is folk dance. Folk dance mean ethnic dance or band dance. A folk dance is a traditional dance from a particular culture or country, and people wear traditional clothes and dances in groups. These dances show the cultures and history of a community. And the next word is fair. Fair mean festival. A fair is a fun public event where people go to enjoy games, rides, food, and shows. At fairs, you might see competitions, music, and different activities for families and children. So, now let's talk about wedding. That is the next word. A wedding is a special ceremony where two people get married. Family and friends gather to celebrate the beginning of a new life for the couple. So, what is the meaning of wedding? Wedding means marriage. Next is the word race. A race is a competition where people run, drive, or move quickly to see who finishes first. For example, athletes run races in sports competitions. So, what is the meaning of race? Race means competition. The next word is team. A team is a group of people who work or play together to achieve the same goal. In sports, players work as a team to win a game. So, what is the meaning of team? Team means group. The next word is winner. A winner is a person or team that comes first in a competition. The winner is the one who performs the best and succeeds in the contest. So, what is the meaning of winner? Winner means champion, victor. The next word is score. Score means the number of points a player or team gets in a game or competition. The team with the highest score usually wins. So, what is the meaning of score? Score means points. Finally, the word player. A player is a person who takes part in a game or sport, and players work hard, practice their skills, and try their best during competitions. So, what is the meaning of player? Sportsman. So, this is all. I hope you understand these meanings. Thank you.